Hello everyone and welcome back to the studio for part 6 of our multi-part painting demonstration series. While you were away, I did a little analysis on the painting and there's a few things that I need to modify, and that's what we're going to do on this painting demonstration, on the final video. Not quite crazy about what's going on here. I need a little bit of lighter value, I think, here. Maybe a little more yellow-green, lighter value, and work this transition a little bit more. I need a little bit more dark middle value, and I think I might put a little bit of that in here. These two centers of interest are too much the same in terms of their shape and their size. I'm going to take this one and try to reduce the size of it a little bit, make it a little bit more linear against those other two bulkier shapes. What else have I written down here? I think that's going to be it, but we're going to get into it and I may see other things that I need to modify once these changes begin. Okay, so enough talk, let's paint. Okay. Let's start here, working this a little bit first. Okay. I don't like that color. Soften this edge a little bit. Not exactly what I was hoping for there. I don't mind just letting that drip through that green paint a little bit. All right, I think that's better. Okay, so let's think about a little darker value paint in here. Tying these dark shapes together a little bit better. Soften this edge, Trying to blend a little bit of pink back into that. I'm just kind of scumbling this color over here so it don't make quite so much mess. Okay, I think that's better. Must be like watching paint dry, huh? Is that how exciting it is, watching somebody else paint? Remember, you asked for it. All right, everyone. I think we're finally about finished. I need to sign this painting. It's kind of heavy over here, so something here would be helpful. It looks like this paint's kind of wet, but we'll give it a shot and see what we can do with our signature. Let's see. This is already pretty light, so it's probably going to have to be darker, maybe something like this. Let's give that a shot. All right, and that's going to do it for us. Thanks for tuning in for all 6 episodes. If you haven't seen them all, go back and start at the beginning. Go 1 through 6. Please leave any comments that you have at the bottom. If you think you really like this and you want to share it with your friends, you think they would enjoy it, certainly do that and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the next video.